16th Avenue and Withers. Is that right? 16th? Yeah. And those are windshield wipers. This is a new tower being built right here, a new hotel. I had a few people ask, hey, what's the status of some of that construction in Myrtle Beach? And there's the sun. And this is where we are now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 6 or 7 stories tall right now. I believe when it's topped out, it's going to be about 22, 23, if I remember correctly. As we turn here, that crane there is where the old Bandito's Mexican restaurant was. And this is going to be a commercial building with several different tenants and restaurants and whatnot. And just Google it. You'll see who is going to be going into that building. So, we have a new tower and a new commercial building right next to each other. And if you're curious where the heck we are, there's the Skywheel there, next to Riptides, and a gentleman waving me forward. There we are. There is another tower over there. I believe that's 6th Avenue. That one's almost topped out, if not already. I believe it is, because if you look on the roof, that almost looks like the top of the elevator shaft up there, that yellow sticking out. Also, as we're coming up on this was the Chesterfield Hotel. Then it was the Shark Attack Golf. Now it's just a demoed piece of land. I have a video on both the Chesterfield and the Shark Attack if you want to look those up. But back over here, this was a hotel also right here. I forget the name of it, I have a video on it, but it's gone. And this is why it's gone, hotels like this. Let's see, if we can count the floors, 18, 19. I believe this one's 20 or 21 floors. Here, let's pass by and take a close look. As we pass Family Kingdom here, here's a telltale sign that the season's over. There's the Ferris wheel with all the seats removed. Gondolas, seats, I'm not sure what they call them, but they are gone for the season. So that means Family Kingdom is closed. A lot of new towers coming up on the boulevard. So you gotta wonder how these new towers with all these new rooms are gonna affect the mom and pop hotels, like this one right here, the Waikiki Village, which we visited recently. I'll put a link to the video down below, but I'm curious how they're going to react to the new towers going up. Here we are at 26th Avenue South, with an airplane flying by. Here is another new tower. I'm not sure the nature of this one or how tall it's going to be, but here's the third high-rise along the boulevard under construction.